In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply a fill color in the GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab at the top, and then go down and select where it says Fill with Color, or fill with whatever color is currently selected here. Go ahead and just select that, or you can select a custom color from the list as well. If you've already had a custom you've been customizing over here, go ahead and just select whichever color you want to put in, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.